Hey everybody, Josh with GDA Science Supply. Today we are talking about the bumper pole from Auto Skins LLC. These guys have really thought of everything with this pole. It's super lightweight, made of high quality carbon fiber construction, and this is really unique and helpful when you're wrapping a vehicle and you're going around the outside edge of the bumper and it's just you. So we're going to show you real quick here how it works. So as you're going around the bumper, a lot of times you need that other set of hands to keep pulling the vinyl in multiple directions. So you have your corner up here, you want someone pulling up and out, and then that corner down at the bottom, you want to be pulling out and down, and that's really hard to do by yourself because you want to be squeegeeing as you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the release liner off this film, get it started here. We're just going to tack it up here for example purposes. We're going to get rid of the liner, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bumper pole and I am going to tack the vinyl to it just along the edge. I'm going to give it a little bit of a twist. So now it's on there straight. Now it'll hold the vinyl. See how this end is taut? I get this straight on here. All ends are taut. And now I can wrap and use my other hand to pull down where I need to and apply vinyl with and apply pressure to tack the vinyl down for the install. So pretty neat tool, comes in a lot of different sizes. For more information on this product and other wrap tools, check us out online at gdasciencesupply.com or call us at the number below. Thanks for watching.